How many social media accounts have you created yet and they all got banned? You're not doing it right. If you're using even 3 devices to do the same thing with the same network, proxy host, or even a VPN, nothing works. People clear their browser cache file and they clear cookies and everything. They even use the incognito tab. Nothing still works. Reason is because your IP address are being tracked, and even if you use 50 devices in the same spot with the same network, they are all being tracked and you are always going to get banned if you create multiple accounts on social media. So this is exactly why multi-login come in, and you can actually create multiple social media accounts where you are getting access to cloud devices. Cloud devices is going to give you access to different devices in different location, different country. You can set any country of your choice to the new device, the cloud device. And to get that done is quite very easy. Okay, so first off, you have to get the software which is showing on my screen right now. And you can see the list of profiles which I have actually created on the software earlier. So I have created a UK TikTok account for myself, about 2 UK TikTok accounts with this platform, and none of them actually get banned. I am using 3 US Instagram accounts on the platform, and none of them actually get banned. Okay, so what I'm going to do in this video is I'm just going to explain how to create foreign Facebook accounts, maybe a US Facebook account, and you're going to see exactly how it goes. So no restriction, no banning, no disable. Everything is going to work perfectly. And this platform is not an emulator. You are getting access to cloud devices. You can get cloud Android phones and you can get cloud Windows operating system, Windows laptops. You can set the location of all those devices to anywhere of your choice. You can change the IP address to wherever you want it to be. So now to create a profile, you need to hit the create button, and now you need to reset the name of that your profile. Okay, so let's say US Facebook account. Okay, I'm just going to put it that way, US Facebook account. And right now you have to scroll down and select the proxy. So the proxy must be HTTP. Then scroll back up, you're going to see operating system. Definitely, if you use a Mac OS, it's going to select Mac for you. But because I'm using a Windows, it has selected Windows for me automatically. If you use the Linux operating system, it's going to be selected for you. And if you use Android to access this particular platform, Android is going to be selected for you. But you can always choose any other device that you want. So you can still use Linux right here, and you can use Android right here on this particular device. Okay, if you want to use the Android option, you just want to select it, and right now you have to go ahead and choose the HTTP, like I said, and go to the proxy section right here. And from this section here, you need to scroll down and change the location of this particular device that you want to get. Now I'm going to click on this location section. Instead of random location, I'm just going to put in United States because I need the location of this device to be United States because I'm about to create a United States Facebook account. Okay, so for the sake of this video, I'm going to use the Windows. I'm just going to hit the create button once I'm done setting that. So whenever you want to access the account, you just need to come down here, click the start button. But first, you might want to have multiple US Facebook accounts. So how do you do that? You want to take this particular first one and you can clone it. You just click the clone icon up here, and let's say I want to have 2 more US Facebook accounts. I'm just going to increase that to 2 and I'm going to hit clone. So now you can see that I am going to get multiple right now. So now I have this, and this. Now I have about 3 US Facebook profiles. Okay, so I can go ahead and create my US Facebook account on this first profile. Then later I'm going to create it on this second profile, and later I'm going to create another one on this third profile. So that is how I'm going to have 3 US Facebook accounts running on my device. Okay, not really on this particular device, they are running on cloud devices. And if I want to start my device, I'm just going to click the start button in front of the profile which I create. Okay, so once I hit the start button, I'm going to wait patiently while the device is going to come up. So it's actually a cloud device, not the real device which you are currently using. Okay, so now the device has come up, and let's see the location that it's actually going to bring. Okay, boom, you can see it brings New York, United States. So which means whatever account that I create on this particular page now, the location of that account is New York, United States. Okay, so you can reset it. If you don't like this location, just hit reset and it's going to give you another location in the US. Okay, so how do you gain access to this particular platform? It's quite very easy. You are going to see the registration link in the description box of this video. You register with that link and you are going to get some benefits, which I'm going to show you as we go in this video. So there's something we call the quick profile. This quick profile, if you create it, then you can actually use it for something real quick. You can use it to do anything quick in your preferred location. So let's say I want US location. I've already created the template earlier before because it's going to tell you to create a template. Okay, so I already created this template. Maybe I want to do something online, but I do not want to do it with my local IP address. I want to do it with an IP address in the United States, then this is how we can do it. Okay, so you are just have to go down and select the proxy host to HTTP and click on launch. So how do I create the template? To create the template, you just want to come down it, and this is basically where you are going to put your template. So when you hit the create button, you are going to see a place to name the template. So let's say UK location. Okay, so now that is the location in the United Kingdom, and I'm going to select Windows. As for me, I prefer that. I'm going to select the HTTP protocol, and I'm going to select proxy. Then I'm going to set the location to the United Kingdom as always. Okay, so this is the location section. I'm just going to click on the random section and click and search United Kingdom, and that is basically how you can actually access any website or anything at all that you want to set with United Kingdom IP address. So now we are going to click the create button. Now we've successfully created a template. So you can now go to the quick profile section and select any template that you want to select. So let's say UK template. We are going to click launch. So this is going to launch another cloud device for you, and you can actually visit any website or do anything that you want to do online using the United Kingdom IP address. Okay, so let's say you have a PayPal account, just an example. So you just want to visit the paypal.com address, and while you visit the address, this is definitely a UK location, right? So you are going to be prompted that you are visiting PayPal UK, as you can see over here. This is PayPal/UK/home, which means you are using the UK IP address to visit PayPal. This is basically how you can do anything you want at all, create foreign accounts or visit foreign websites using this particular platform. So to get started, when you click the link in the description of this video, you are going to see their pricing packages. They are going to prompt you to start your 3 days trial, or you can check out their pricing and see how much you can spend on a yearly package. So every year, they prompt to be charging you about £5.85 every month, and that's going to be £70 annually. So for business package, you are going to be charged £103 every month. That is £1,240 annually. So you can go for monthly package as well if you want to go for a monthly package. They give you virtual phones. Okay, so you can use them to do whatever you want. And the amazing part is you can set the location of those phones or laptops to anywhere of your choice, and they are going to always operate that location. So if you want to gain access to all these benefits, their pricing packages can be reduced. If you use the promo code, you're going to get 50% off all their prices. Okay, 2 times cheaper. Mind you, the promo code is not going to work unless you register using my affiliate link. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next one.